Have you ever wondered how the mighty hawk soars high up in the sky, spying its prey and swooping down with incredible precision? Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the life of these fascinating creatures. Picture this. Amidst the soft rustling of leaves and the gentle chirping of birds, a tiny hawk chick breaks out of its shell. This is the first step in the life cycle of a hawk. Mama hawk has been patiently waiting for this moment, nurturing her eggs for around a month. Now she has a new task, to feed and protect her little chicks. Feeding these little ones is no easy task. Hawks are carnivorous birds. They feast on a diet rich in small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. The mother hawk is an expert hunter. She soars high, her keen eyes searching the ground below. Once she spots her prey, she dives down swiftly, catching the unsuspecting creature in her powerful talons. This meal is then carried back to the nest, where the hungry chicks are waiting. As the weeks pass, the chicks grow bigger and stronger. Their fluffy down is replaced by sleek feathers. They start to mimic their mother, flapping their wings and hopping around the nest. This is the fledgling stage. It's during this time that the young hawks learn the art of flight and hunting, skills they'll need to survive in the wild. After a few months, the fledgling hawks are ready to leave the nest. They set off on their own, soaring high into the sky. They're now juvenile hawks, starting their own journey. They'll explore, hunt, and someday, start a family of their own. The life of a hawk is a cycle of birth, growth, and survival. It's a tale of strength, skill, and survival. These magnificent birds are not just predators, but also an essential part of our ecosystem, helping to keep the population of rodents and other small animals in check. So the next time you see a hawk soaring high above, remember the incredible journey it has taken. From a tiny chick in a nest to a powerful hunter in the sky, the life of a hawk is indeed a fascinating tale. We've learned about their life cycle, their feeding habits, and the role they play in the ecosystem. Hawks truly are magnificent creatures, aren't they?